Hi, my name is Jeremy Hull, a technical sales rep and account manager here at InstantGMP. We have started a new blog series to talk about the staff and their role in supporting the InstantGMP platform. For myself, as a technical sales professional, I play a crucial role in assisting prospective clients throughout the sales cycle, helping them identify areas of concern that our solution can effectively address. My expertise lies specifically in the pharma, biotech, and med device industries. My understanding of these industries helps me efficiently demonstrate client-specific solutions with adequate preparation. In addition to my sales responsibilities, I also handle account management duties. This involves effectively managing and notifying client accounts about any new changes, features, downtime, audits, or any other relevant activities. It is worth noting that my client base consists of the aforementioned prospective clients, and I ensure a seamless transition from the sales phase to the implementation process, ensuring their familiarity and comfort throughout. In my previous professional roles, I gained extensive expertise in handling diverse responsibilities and addressing common challenges faced by clients. My expertise in manufacturing gave me valuable insights into production complexities like inaccurate calculations, uncertain inventory management, and human error. During my time in quality assurance, I became familiar with reviewing product batches, resolving deviations, reconciling inventory, and ensuring compliance with the most recent FDA regulations. By leveraging my comprehensive understanding of the challenges and pain points faced by clients or prospects, I effectively identify their specific needs and engage in meaningful discussions to explore potential solutions. This deep insight, combined with my extensive knowledge of the software systems, allows me to strategically guide clients and prospects through the process of transitioning to an electronic system. Moreover, my expertise in this domain enables me to accurately assess the suitability of our software solution for their requirements. Even if they ultimately decide to choose another provider, I can still provide valuable assistance in effectively staging and preparing them for the transition, ensuring a smooth and successful implementation of their chosen electronic system. So this is just a little bit about me and my role at InstantGMP. Stay tuned for more insights as well as continue our series, all of which can be found on our website at www.instantgmp.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.